Hi, I'm Nova Liv, and welcome to Living with AI. So far, this channel has covered AI text generation like ChatGPT and text-to-image like Midjourney. There's also text-to-speech,
but that's been around for decades.
You can imagine what's coming up next, text-to-music and text-to-video, which I'll talk about in a second. But something new was announced this past week that I was not expecting. Video-to-video. What's that? We'll cover that in a minute. But focusing first on text-to-music. Google has developed text-to-music capabilities through a project called Music ML. ML stands for machine learning. The general public can't try this out right now, probably because of the copyright problems and giving credit. Regardless, Google has released a research paper on their work that contains a ton of demos. Here's an example of 2 prompts. The main soundtrack of an arcade game. You can check out the full prompt on screen as it plays. This is an R&B hip-hop music piece. Since the songs they use for reference are layered over each other, if you listen closely, there's no words actually being spoken. And I really like the examples of adding a person humming, then seeing the various guitar solos and choruses that came from it.
Na 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 na.
Weird and kind of cool, which basically sums up everything that's been happening in AI lately. Now let's talk about text-to-video, which Meta and Google have both been working on and announced months ago. They haven't made the tools available to the public, but like Music ML, you can see some examples. My favorite ones from Meta are the teddy bear painting and the up-close paintbrush. The video is pretty choppy, but it's still a good preview of what's to come. And I'm sure it'll get better soon. From Google, I think theirs is less realistic, but more stylized. Check out these bees. That seems really complex, but I think they pulled it off. There are some AI video tools that you can try out now. Some of them are pretty cool, but more in the realm of tweaking still images or avatars. A great place to find a huge range of AI tools is futuretools.io. Links to the site in the description below. Now, back to video, something I definitely wasn't expecting, but is super cool. This past week, Runway Research just shared their vision for a system called Gen 1 that makes new videos by using prompt videos combined with other images. It's easier to understand from their video announcement on it. Some of these are completely amazing. You can imagine how many animated videos, short films, and even movies that are going to come from this. Let me know what you think of each of these efforts and the examples you're seeing in the comments below. Impressed? Exhausted keeping up with everything going on? Or disappointed that the quality is lagging so far behind text-to-image? I would love to get your thoughts as AI continues to evolve and innovate at an exponential rate. It literally feels like we're living in a sci-fi movie. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more info about living with AI. This past week, Runway Research... This past week, Runway Research... This past week, Runway Research...